Happy Saturday, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones. Again, I'm from theboxman.com, and we're changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxman.com, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how to resolve audio issues on your Formuler devices. If this is your first time to our YouTube channel, thank you so much for tuning into the Stream Machines channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you fix them or with them one video at a time. This is going to be a very, very quick video. I've been making these quick tips, and I'm going to put them all in a playlist for someone that may need to learn more about Formuler, someone that might be new to streaming, or someone that just wants to stay in tune with things. And it's just an easy way to make these quick tips because they work each and every time. Now, this device is the Formuler Z11 Pro Max, but these tips will work on the Formuler Z10 and below. So let's get right into it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you don't enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up. And that way the algorithm of YouTube knows that I'm really trying hard to build this channel organically. Now, there are several different aspects or different reasons why you're having audio issues. One, the first place we want you to look is your HDMI cord. Your HDMI cord needs to be checked on a regular basis. Now, the reason that is because they wear down after time. There get shorts in them. The connectivity to your HDMI port loses its connectivity over time. With that in mind, you should always have access to good HDMI cords, and that way you can change those out, because if those have shorts in them, it will affect your audio quality. The second thing you want to do is at least learn by going to the settings here how to, what the audio is on your device. So for instance, I will go down to settings and then press OK on device preferences. And if you go on down, you should see where it says display and sound. Highlight that, press OK. Now you can go down to the advanced sound settings and take a look at those. As you can see, I got new content arrived. That's because these boxes refresh the content by themselves. I always turn on system sounds. On advanced, I never use surround sound because I don't have one. If you have one, you can follow the instructions from the support site on how to get that done, and it always works for me. So you want to check your settings here. That's the second thing you want to do. And finally, what I always encourage everyone to do if they buy this device, inside the market, what you want to do is go to your market here. It's the green thumbnail with the shopping cart. Press the OK button. The next thing you want to do is go ahead. You see where it says Audio Optimizer, and I have the Audio Optimizer set up. If you're having some issues, you could always go to the market, install Audio Optimizer, let it reboot, and then go back to the channel, because they put this on the Formuler device to help with those sound issues. The missyncing of the stream, whatever it might be, if the words are off and the sound is choppy, Audio Optimizer is guaranteed to fix that. Now, this application, I haven't found it on any other device other than the Formuler, and it has worked. I've had these devices well over 8 years now, and it has worked each and every time. So you want to make sure that if you have this device that you find the Audio Optimizer. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to open up and let you know you're already optimized, so I can exit. But this is a great way to keep the issues away, or audio issues, from your Formuler device. As I close out the video, I told you it was going to be short. Make sure you share this video with someone that might need it or whatever it might be. And don't keep us a secret. Let everyone know about the Stream Machines YouTube channel. And if you're looking for a great value in a streaming device, we are the best in the business that can give you that. I will put a link to the new box that we have called Box 95. It's only $95. Thank you for the new customers. I think there's 22 new customers that has bought the Box 95. There's a video of it in the description of the YouTube channel. Take a look at it, click on it, and let us know if you're interested. With that said, thank you guys so much. In my next video tomorrow, I'm going to take an empty Formuler device and show you how to pimp it out one step at a time. We'll see you in the next